Hey guys, and this is your first real life look at the OPPO Find X9 Ultra launching on 21st April in China as well as global markets at the same time. Guys, this new flagship is gonna finish the Samsung S26 Ultra for sure, and I'm saying this because the specifications and features is coming with are just exceptional. So the OPPO Find X9 Ultra gets a massive DSLR-like circular camera module containing 4 cameras. They say 200 megapixel main sensor, a 200 megapixel 3x telephoto camera, a 50 megapixel periscope shooter with 10 times optical zoom which can even shoot 20 times lossless zoom photos. And here's an image shared by OPPO shot using the Find X9 Ultra. Wow, Samsung should be in shame right now. Finally, there's a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. So again, 4 DSLR killer cameras with Hasselblad color signs. Not to mention the design looks like a pocket DSLR. We have a leather finish variant with Hasselblad and OPPO branding on the bottom left. OPPO is using a flat frame finish and boxy design kinda similar to the S26 Ultra. The side contains volume keys, power button and a camera control button of orange color. Rest of the specifications are a 6.82-inch high-resolution AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate. It's gonna be a flat panel with ultra thin bezels and high frequency PWM and refresh rate, again something Samsung just cannot match. This Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset inside, which is powerful and power efficient, can play AAA games without any issue. A 7050 mAh massive battery with 100 watts fast wired and 50 watts wireless charging. So these are some maxed out high-end specifications right inside this OPPO Find X9 Ultra flagship. Here's the Geekbench listing of the Find X9 Ultra and can be seen 12 gigs of RAM with 8 Elite Gen 5 with decent performance and score. So are you excited? Let me know in the comment section below and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, share, subscribe and peace out.